In this video, we're going to go over how you can create a month's worth of high quality, unique video content in minutes for you or your clients for more traffic, leads, and sales. Every single credible traffic expert agrees today that you need to be creating unique content that adds value to have any success today, whether you're an affiliate marketer, a local marketer, a product creator, etc. With VidRepurposer, you can now repurpose existing content, including YouTube videos, into a brand new unique video, presentation, article, MP3, and more in just minutes that people will actually want to watch and share and buy from you. To get started, first enter a campaign name and choose how you want to have VidRepurposer make the fresh content for you. There's several options, including choosing blog URL to turn any blog URL or piece of text into a video. Choose remake video to enter any YouTube URL to extract the spoken text and turn it into a 100% unique original video. Choose input voice to record yourself speaking and turn what you say into a video. Choose quotes to search a huge database of popular quotes and turn those into a more engaging quote video for social media too. And if you're really in a hurry, VidRepurposer comes with 7 done-for-you campaigns already created in the hottest local niches and online niches that you can quickly edit, render, and resell to clients. For this example, let's remake a video into an entirely new one by hitting Remake Video. To begin, you can enter any keyword or search relevant YouTube videos to repurpose into your own, or enter a special YouTube URL if you already know the video you want. For example, let's type in dog training. VidRepurposer will find relevant videos that we can repurpose as our own that relate to that keyword. You can click to preview each video and keep searching until you find one that you like. If you have a specific video that you want to repurpose into more videos, you can also just paste that URL in like this and hit go. Then VidRepurposer will extract what's actually spoken in the video, not just the description, and allow you to edit it before transforming it into slides. If you're repurposing someone else's content, you can type a quick video intro or outro giving credit and then linking to the original channel if you like, just if you were curating an article on your blog. VidRepurposer also allows you to spin the content, and of course you can edit any part of it as you wish just by typing. Before hitting the Go to Video Editor button, you can just press Enter to break up the text like this into individual sentences that will eventually become your individual slides of the video, like this. Once you have your slide set, press the Go to Video Editor button to begin transforming it into an amazing shareable video. VidRepurposer will break the script up into individual slides for you. Just click on the text line in the Story section to create a slide with that text. Then customize each slide to turn it into an amazing looking video. For example, you can change the color of the font, the size of the font. You can then search the VidRepurposer media library for relevant background images that will be put into motion once the video is rendered, or add scenic videos to the background. You can also add relevant GIFs, background colors, or upload your own unique images or video clips to use in your VidRepurposer video. Let's go ahead and search for a background and add this one. When the video is rendered, VidRepurposer will automatically add an animation to the background image, such as a slow pan or zoom. But you can click the animation drop-down and select a custom animation for the background if you choose. You can also turn the dimmer settings on or off to make the text more visible if needed. When you have your video looking great, just hit the Add Slide button to add and customize the next slide. You can again click the next line of text to import it into the slide, or just click inside the text box and edit the script however you want. So let's add another background to our slide. And remember, everything about VidRepurposer is 100% customizable, so you're able to create fully unique, gorgeous video content fast that will actually generate leads and you can sell for money. Finally, when you have your slides finished, feel free to upload music or audio to it by hitting the Music tab. VidRepurposer will show you a number of music selections you can add to the video in a variety of styles. If you're creating a video for your local business, you can brand and watermark it by easily uploading and adding a logo. You can also upload a custom video intro or outro, which is great for YouTube. Finally, choose if you want the slides to go by fast, normal reading speed, or slow reading speed, and hit Render. VidRepurposer will render your video in HD quality for you to download and sell to clients, upload to YouTube, use as an ad or post on Facebook, or anything you want. But that's not all. You can also download the text of your new video to use as a blog post, export the new audio to use as a podcast or post to SoundCloud, export as a presentation to syndicate to SlideShare for even more traffic. People consume content in different ways, which is why all the top traffic experts use content repurposing to turn their content into different mediums. And now you have 5 unique ways to get traffic, all from repurposing one existing piece of content in minutes. How powerful is that? Anytime you want to re-edit your video, just go to the Manage Campaigns button and choose the campaign you want to edit. And remember, this was just one way of repurposing content. VidRepurposer can turn any text or URL into a video, your spoken voice into a video, a huge database of quotes into a more engaging video, and even more for months worth of premium video, text, audio, and presentation content that you can sell, can generate leads from, and make money from.